You love cracking your knuckles, but people say it causes arthritis.
Synovial fluid.
Let's see what actually happens. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. When you crack your knuckles, you stretch the joint capsule, reducing pressure. This pressure drop causes gases dissolved in the synovial fluid to form bubbles. The pop sound you hear is these bubbles rapidly collapsing, not bones grinding. Scientific studies have shown no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. It's just a sound.